Installation steps for 2-post parking lift on 7232P. Step 1. Unpack the equipment and inspect the components. Handle with care during unpacking to avoid damaging parts. After removing all components, check them against the parts list to ensure that key items, such as the columns, limit switches, electrical control box, and electromagnets, are complete and free from deformation or damage, ensuring a smooth installation process. Step 2. Position the components. Arrange the main components according to the installation drawings, distinguishing between the left and right columns and carriages. Keep the columns on both sides parallel and organize smaller parts to avoid clutter. Step 3. Install the carriages and hydraulic cylinders. Erect the main column first. Note, the hydraulic cylinder must be installed at this stage. Otherwise, it cannot be installed later. Step 4. Erect the left and right columns. Note, secure one column first to facilitate subsequent leveling adjustments. Then, assemble the crossbeams connecting the 4 sides of the platform. Note, do not fully tighten the screws yet, to allow for later adjustments. Step 5. Install the chains, unlocking electromagnets, hydraulic hoses, power unit, and limit switches. Note, close-up shots are required to demonstrate the chain and electromagnet components. Step 6. Install the electrical control box and photoelectric sensors, including wiring. Fill with 15 liters of HN46 hydraulic oil, and connect power for a test run. Cycle the lift up and down 2 or 3 times. Once operation is confirmed to be normal, level the columns and secure them using the anchor bolts. Step 7. Assemble the corrugated panels onto the platform. Apply grease to the sliding blocks to ensure smooth and stable platform operation, and conduct a load test.